Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sabeena and this is my message for World Cancer Day 2022. Cancer is a very painful and difficult subject to talk about because its relation to me is very personal. My beloved mother, Mrs Meshar Mumtaz Bano, was diagnosed with metastatic breast cancer March 2012, and my siblings and I were devastated. We cared for Mom for 4 years, and just to give you a little brief summary about my mum. My mum was a very, very kind soul. She was a very selfless lady, and she devoted her life to her 3 children. My mum came to the UK when she was 19 years old, and she spent 38 years of her life in Manchester. She loved Manchester. She loved her friends, and she loved the Mancunian way. She loved gardening. She loved travelling, and she loved looking after her siblings and family. Mom received cancer treatment at the Christie's Hospital in Manchester and at the Whipps Cross and St George's in London. She was a very independent lady. She loved life and she loved her children. My siblings and I miss Mum every day. We think about her all the time. We think about both our parents who've passed now. But this message is for people who have lost a parent to cancer, lost a loved one to cancer, or maybe you are receiving cancer treatment, and it's so important to share your story, share how you're doing, or just ask for help and support. I just want to say that I've also lost my khalas, my mum's sisters, to breast and ovarian cancer. Mum was one of 7 sisters. Mum was the 4th sister to be diagnosed with cancer, and we're very blessed. My siblings and I can't thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, cannot thank God Almighty enough for the time that we spent with Mum, for the 4 years we spent with Mum. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless them all with a beautiful seat in Jannatul Firdaus in paradise. And finally, what I would like to say is, if you have a history of cancer in your family, then please go and see your GP, who will transfer you to a consultant or refer you to a consultant. Please always check your body for lumps and bumps. If you are required to go for a mammogram, please don't delay. Take a friend with you if you're uncomfortable going by yourself, if it makes you anxious. and try to get a referral for genetic testing. I found a lump in my breast in 2013 and subsequently went for testing. The lump was benign, but after that I was advised to go for genetic testing. I don't carry the BRCA1 or BRCA2 genes, but early detection is a valuable way of finding what I'm trying to say is it's always better to detect cancer early and then to treat it in its earlier stages. This World Cancer Day, I want to say and wish every cancer patient who is receiving treatment a speedy recovery, and I just wish you well with your health, and I wish you a very long and happy life. And many thanks to the World Cancer team, and please, for everybody watching, support a cancer organisation and share your cancer stories online via social media. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording another video for World Cancer Day 2023. Take care, bye for now, and don't forget to add the hashtag #CloseTheCareGap. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.